Should you consider body jets? Body jets are a type of shower head that sprays water onto the body from multiple angles, and it can provide a massage-like effect, and it can be a luxurious addition to your shower. There are several factors to consider when deciding whether to install a body jet in your shower. Water pressure. Body jets require strong water pressure. If you have low water pressure, body jets may not work or perform as well. Water usage. Body jets use more water than the traditional shower head, so it may not be a good choice if you're concerned about water conservation. Body jets take more space in the shower than a traditional shower head. It may require additional plumbing in order to work correctly. Not just plumbing, but electrical as well. They also can be more expensive to install than a traditional shower head. Body jets are definitely personal preference. Consider whether you would enjoy massage-like effect from a body jet or whether it's a right fit for your design and your preference. If you decide to install a body jet, make sure that you install a high quality from a reputable manufacturer, and of course always install with a manufacturer install recommendations.